GPT-5 is here and it's already blowing people's mind. Forget just answering word questions. This thing can reason, talk, plan, and even solve math problems that expert didn't expect an AI to crack. Yep, Sebastian Babek, one of the Microsoft top researchers, just showed GPT-5 taking insanely difficult math proofs. And that's just the beginning. I'll show you 7 insane GPT-5 use cases that beginners can start using right now. And trust me, number 7 will make you rethink what AI can actually do. Whether you are a student, a creator, or just someone who wants a digital sidekick that doesn't complain, GPT-5 has tools that make your life easier. And don't worry, you don't need a computer science degree to use these. If you can type or talk, you can start today. Let's dive in. Let's start with something fun, creative writing. GPT-5 doesn't just write essays or boring product descriptions. It can create. Imagine telling it, write me a mystery story about a detective who only solves crime using TikTok videos. And within seconds, you have got a full short story with characters, plot twist, and even witty dialogues. The real magic, GPT-5 adapts to your style. Want it to sound like Shakespeare? Done. Want it sarcastic, like your best friend roasting you? Easy. For beginners, this is perfect for writing YouTube scripts, school projects, even practicing storytelling. Basically, it's like having an unlimited creative partner who never runs out of ideas or coffee. Now, this one's like science fiction, future reasoning. GPT-5 can actually make logical predictions based on information you gave it. For example, say you are planning to launch a small business, you can ask GPT-5, if I start a coffee shop in 2025 in New York, what challenges should I expect? And it's break down market trends, possible competitors, and even customer behaviors. It's not psychic, but because it's trained on massive data and patterns, it can stimulate future scenarios. For beginners, that means better decision making instead of flipping a coin. You have got an AI that helps you weigh the odds, like a personal strategist who doesn't charge consulting fees. Here's where it gets spooky real. Voice mode. Instead of typing, you can just talk to ChatGPT-5. GPT-5 ask it questions, brainstorm, even argue about why pineapple on pizza is a crime. And it responds instantly, like you're chatting with a human. Why does this matter? Because beginners don't have to learn prompts or coding. You literally just talk. Imagine cooking while asking GPT-5 for recipes tips or practicing English conversations with it. For a lot of people, this turns AI from a tool into a companion. And yes, it even laughs at your bad jokes, which might be validation we all secretly needed. Now, let's talk productivity. GPT-5 isn't just a brainy chatbot. It can organize your life. Tell it, I have got 3 hours tomorrow. I need to study, clean my room, and doom scroll Instagram for at least 30 minutes. GPT-5 will build you a realistic schedule, prioritize tasks, and even set reminders. For beginners, this is lifesaver. No complicated apps, no fancy project management tools, just plain language. Tell it what you need and it organizes your chaos. Honestly, it's like having a free personal assistant who never forgets, never sleeps, and unlike your real friends, doesn't bail on you. This one is game changer. Context awareness. GPT-5 remembers what you said earlier and builds on it. Let's say last week you told it, I want to start a YouTube channel about tech. You come back today and ask, give me 5 trending videos ideas for my channel. It remembers your niche, tailors the answer for you. No more explaining yourself every time. For beginners, this makes AI feel less like Google and more like a smart partner who actually listens, which honestly puts it ahead of half the people in your life already. GPT-5 isn't just something you chat with. It powers app built around your lifestyle. Imagine a fitness app that doesn't give you a generic workout but adapts to your exact energy level, or a study app that changes how it teaches you based on how fast you learn. This is where AI goes from one size fits all just for you. For beginners, that means apps will soon feel less tool and more like custom-built assistants. Creepy, maybe useful 100%. And here, the headline grabber, math. Sebastian Babek recently revealed that GPT-5 can solve advanced math problems that researchers thought were impossible for AI. We are not just talking 2 + 2, I mean real proofs and reasoning. For beginners, this doesn't mean you are suddenly past calculus without studying, but it does mean GPT-5 can walk you through problems step by step, like the best tutor in the world. And more importantly, it shows that GPT-5 is capable of deep reasoning, not just spitting out answers, but actually explaining why. That's massive leap in what AI can do. So those are 7 evergreen ways you can start using GPT-5 today. No hype, no overwhelm, just practical tools to make make life easier. I have put together a free PDF with all these use cases and examples so you can keep it handy. The link in the description. If you find this helpful, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, peace out.